Hey there, welcome. Today, I am super excited to talk to you about the Bose Bass Module 500 Black. If you're someone who loves music and wants to take your listening experience to the next level, then this is definitely the product for you. Just imagine being able to feel the music, not just hear it. That's exactly what the Bose Bass Module 500 Black can do for you. It's sleek, powerful, and designed to deliver that deep, rich bass that really brings your music, movies, and games to life. One of the standout features of the Bose Bass Module 500 Black is its size. Despite being compact, it packs a punch when it comes to sound. You'll be amazed at how much of a difference a good bass module can make in your overall sound experience. So, let's talk about some of the benefits and features of this bad boy. The Bose Bass Module 500 Black is wireless, making it easy to place anywhere in your room without having to worry about cords getting in the way. It seamlessly connects to your Bose Soundbar 500 or Soundbar 700 for a truly immersive sound experience. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to your favorite tunes, or playing a video game, the Bose Bass Module 500 Black will elevate your audio experience like never before. It adds depth and dimension to the sound, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Now, let's talk about how you can use this awesome piece of tech. Setting up the Bose Bass Module 500 Black is a breeze. Simply plug it in, pair it with your Bose soundbar, and you're good to go. It's that easy. Once it's set up, sit back, relax, and let the bass wash over you. If you're wondering how the Bose Bass Module 500 Black compares to other bass modules on the market, let me assure you that it stands out from the crowd. Its compact size, powerful performance, and seamless connectivity make it a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their audio setup. I've been using the Bose Bass Module 500 Black for a while now, and let me tell you, it has completely transformed my listening experience. I can feel every beat, every note, and every thump, making me feel like I'm right in the middle of a live concert. In conclusion, if you're looking to take your audio experience to the next level, look no further than the Bose Bass Module 500 Black. Trust me, once you experience the power of deep, rich bass, you'll never want to go back. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your audio experience today with the Bose Bass Module 500 Black. Trust me, you won't regret it.